Hi, I'm Aubrey. As you can see, my smile is not good. A bunch of my teeth have always been bad. Not this bad before COVID, but there's some sort of deficiency I was diagnosed with when I was younger. I'm not even sure what it is. It made my teeth basically kill themselves, I guess, at an exponential rate. So during COVID, when these teeth chipped eating one of my favorite foods, pizza, I never stopped wearing a mask in public. I reduced to closed mouth smiles and pictures with my kids where really, if I was smiling at my happiest, it wouldn't be a closed mouth smile. So I saw pop on Veneers. I read reviews. I watched reviews. Still, there was a part of me that thought, this could be fake and it could be paid people, but I took my chance and I made an investment in my own happiness and I purchased them. The mold came pretty fast. I did read the instructions. It's pretty self-explanatory. Still, I watched every single video they provided on how to do it. And I probably didn't need to watch them all, really, because it was exactly how it said. I was even worried, I've got these teeth missing here and chipped so badly when they said that the molds after you do them you're supposed to see the light through them. Well, I couldn't in this whole area, so I was kind of worried, but when all three turned out that way, I'm like, you know what? I followed the instructions. We're going to send them in. And I did. Now, when I got them back, and I just got them back yesterday, so excuse me when I do put them in my mouth if it sounds a little funny still. I'm still practicing, but I can assure you I'm getting better and better already, and it's only been 24 hours. So the molds, see, this is the top of my mouth, and it looks just like it. And here is the final. Snaps right on. And this would be the bottom of my mouth. And again, snaps right on. Okay, so putting them in. I did get both because I wanted it to match, That's the bottom. Hee-hee. Well, let me get the mirror. See, red mirror. That came with it too. It helps. And as you can see, I got my smile back. Now this is how I would smile with my kids if I wasn't broken for so many years. They do suggest singing in the shower to improve the speaking. Go figure. When I showered yesterday, I couldn't think of one freaking song, but every other time I do sing in the shower. So I've just been using them. I call my mom a lot. She's very happy with it. My daughter, I wonder if I can pull up a picture on here. No, but maybe I'll send it through with this and they can add it too. When I first had them in yesterday, when my daughter first got home from school, we took pictures together where I could smile with her. And it was very, very nice. So thank you, Pop on Veneers. I am very happy with this purchase.